welcome back to my channel. So today I did my final Christmas look of the year. The girl went all out and we did a gold cut crease, which is a project in itself. But not only that, I did two black wing liners with a green wing liner in between. So then there's red underneath and then the green liner on that as well. And then I did the super fun like red glitter lip. So I know it's crazy, it's a lot of work, but I had so much fun doing it, and it's Christmas and I have this cute hat, so I have to do it. So anyways, if you like this look, or even if you like only part of this look, keep watching. You can take what you want from it, like little bits and pieces, and come up with your own look. Maybe you just do the red underneath, maybe you just do the cut crease, maybe you just do the double wing, whatever gets you excited. So, okay, so enough chatting, let's get into the video. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're going to go in with this Morphe palette here with this light brown color, and I'm going to apply that into my crease and above my crease with this Makeup Geek blending brush. And then I put this color in my crease as well, but it doesn't show up, so kind of a waste, but here's me doing that. And then I went in with this darker brown color from the same palette and I applied that into my crease, and also a little bit above, but mainly into the actual crease. I want that part in the crease to be dark because we're going to do a cut crease. I'm going to rip my tape off here. And then I'm going to use a small brush and we're going to cut our crease and look like a lizard. The reason why I do that is because you put the concealer on your lower lash line there, not your lower lash line, but lower on your lid, and then you look up and roll your eyes like that, and it kind of gives you a guideline of where you're going to put your cut crease. So then I use this artist brush from Michaels, and I'm going to clean up where that outline was. And then I'm going to wing it out a little bit because that's kind of just the shape that I'm going for here. And then once I have it applied everywhere I want it to be, then I'm going to buff it out the edges with my beauty sponge. And then I'm just darkening this area above the cut crease a little bit more with that dark brown color that I used before. And I just felt like maybe I should define my brows today. So I'm just using a little bit of concealer and that same little brush that I used on my lid and defining the brows. And here I am doing my first wing. So you want this to be angled pretty intensely because you want enough room to do the second wing. I don't normally do it this intense, but this look required it. I have a little bit of a hooded eye, so this is more difficult to do at an angle like this, but whatever, we knocked that out. And then I'm gonna go in with this glitter primer from NYX, place this on a plate, and then I put this glitter on the plate as well, and I use that same brush that I fixed up my cut crease with, and I put a little bit of glue on my lid, and then I start adding the glitter right after. And I just keep doing this until the whole area where I put the concealer is covered in this gold glitter. You could do the glitter and then do your wing liner, but that's just a pain for me, so I did it this way. And then I'm going with my MAC Pro Longwear. This is NW35 and NC18 that I mixed together, and I'm just applying this with a damp beauty sponge. And then I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape in light and medium, and conceal and highlight in all the regular places that I normally do. Just be really careful around the wing here. Just take your time. And then I just use that small concealer brush just to make sure that I got the concealer in my inner corner there and down along my nose so it's nice and bright there. And then I set everything with my Maybelline powder. And then going in with this NYX palette, I'm going to grab this red color here with a Morphe blending brush and apply that on my lower lash line. And all the products I use in this video, I will list in the bottom bar. And here I am doing my second wing liner. I'm really sorry that this is not in frame. I was trying to focus as hard as I could in the mirror and make sure I didn't screw anything up here. But you just apply this underneath the first wing, a little bit lower, a little bit shorter of a wing too. Anyway, so here I am contouring with my NYX Contour and Highlight palette. I'm applying it with this fan brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a different brush. This one here, this is also a Morphe brush, and buff that out really well. And then I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill palette, this red color called Jax, and I'm also gonna apply that on my lower lash line with this taper dome brush. And then I blend that out some more with that same blending brush from Morphe we used before. And then going in with this this Maybelline gel liner, I'm gonna apply that to my lower and upper waterline with this angled eyeliner brush. I have no idea where this brush is from though. This is a green eyeliner, and I'm going to use that and put it in between the two wings that I created. And then I'm also going to drag it along that bottom wing and into the red underneath my lower lash line. And it's okay if it gets on your lashes because you're just going to put mascara on anyways. And then I'm going to go in with this RCMA powder, and I'm just going to chisel out my contour a little bit more, do a little baking. And then I'm going to use these Kiss lashes and pop those bad boys on. These lashes are so pretty. I will list them in the bottom bar. And then I'm just using that same dome tapered brush and applying some more of that Jax color. I just really wanted that to be buffed out underneath the eye, and blending it out again with that Morphe brush. And then using this Nomad highlighter I got from my Ipsy bag, I'm just going to apply this to the high points of my face, on my forehead, cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little on my chin. And then I lined my lips with this NYX lip liner, and I went in with this Urban Decay lipstick. Sorry, it's out of focus. And then I'm going to apply glitter to my lips using that same NYX glitter primer. I'm just going to apply the primer to my lips first and then the glitter after. I still had some glitter, like gold glitter, on my plate, and so I decided to also add some of that gold glitter just to make the lips pop a little bit more. See, isn't that pretty? Okay, so we are done. That was a project and a half, right? But I think it turned out really nice. I think I say that after every video, but surprisingly, I thought for sure the wing liners would punk me, so I'm actually kind of excited that they turned out. I really had fun making this. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you with a couple sparkly New Year's looks. So excited for those. And one not so sparkly, but you know, glitter ain't your thing. I got you covered. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Subscribe.